Hello everyone, here's a simple demonstration of how to create some regular trading hours. So get straight to it. We'll click on Session Manager and drag that in. We'll just choose a quick symbol, British pounds, as good as any, and that's currently set to 0600 to 2200. Double click there and we'll choose the LPIT hours to make our regular trading hours, and we'll do some daily bars today. We'll do exchange time for the British pound, 0720 to 1400, and we'll save. Open the role manager and drag that in, and we shall choose the British pound. Now I'm not going to go into all the settings today, but once you're set up with your role template as is, you just simply choose your date to start. We'll go from say 2015 to make the test quite quick, and we'll say roll contracts. Let me just clear and roll contracts, and we can see that knitting the contracts together there. If you wish, you can go and have a look at the roll log and have a look how that all together. So you can see there the March contract going into the June, and with the roll date there and the various cumulative differences between the contracts. Okay, that's now done. Close that. Open our compression manager intraday and bring that in, and we shall pick an easy template to work off. So we'll choose something, there's a 5-minute template, let's try that. Okay, and then we shall make, let's do some, now we'll pick on daily bars. We said there's our daily bars. Onto exchange time. Let's have a look at the settings. We'll go with standard settings there. Exchange time, there is the, when we created the session manager template before, we choose the last date template was the one we were working with, and then again these other settings are subject to another presentations. For brevity, we'll just go now and click on British pound. We'll create our daily bars, and I'm just going to check whether we had the advanced column formatter on. You can choose to have an unadjusted close, a spread, and a cumulative spread in it. In fact, you know what, let's do that. Let's put them in, and they will then appear as extra columns in your data like that. So we'll save, and we'll run that again just to for the sake of a quick test, and then we'll close that, and we'll bring in this folder for our data into futures, continuous contracts, intraday database. Now you remember we wanted daily extractions, but it's come from an intraday database, and that's the only way you can get regular trading hours data if you read from the 1 minute database to pick your open, high, low, close parameters all the way back through history to inception. So BP text, that's opened off screen. I shall pull that in, and you can see there if I scroll right to the front of the file, we can see there the open, high, low, close for this particular contract, and that's based upon the open, high, low, close from 0720 to 1400 hours. Now in Portara you can set those to wherever you want. You can go overnight if you want, set them at 2200 hours to 0400 hours and test daily bars for an edge in the overnight session. So you know, it's a very malleable piece of kit. And finally there's the unadjusted close and the spread and the cumulative spread. Now of course there's no roll there yet, so that's why that's all zeros. But if we go to the end of the contract and we pick up the unadjusted close there, and we look at the close in the file and we add back our cumulative spread, we see that they're equal. So you've got full integrity in the file. It's all happy days there for your data, and we'll leave it there. Okay, thank you very much. For further information about Portara and its products, including CQG Datafactory, contact Portara directly on info@portaracqg.com or go to the website www.portaracqg.com or speak directly with your CQG rep.